Good morning, welcome to the Crypto Dave YouTube channel. Just a very quick video today. It's now 3rd of June today, it's the beginning of June, and in my last video I talked about setting up a simple portfolio using Coinbase to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically what I'm going to do today and at the beginning of each month is do a quick recap of how my example portfolio that I put together in that video is performing. So this is the first review. This is for revenue generated in May 2017. Now, as you can see down here, the first transaction was actually only on the 13th of May, so it's only really sort of half a month. But if we have just a quick overview look, we can see the acquisition cost over that time has been just shy of $800. The portfolio is worth just under $1,100. That's basically $300 profit, which is fantastic for literally for a couple of weeks. Now, just to simplify things, I did say in my last video I was going to be putting in £100 a week into it. What I think is probably an easier way to do, because sometimes I'm away and stuff like that, is to say I'm just going to put in £400 a month, and I'll probably stagger that in various different amounts. So it might be, you know, one month I might put it all in at the beginning of the month, one month I might put in 4 lots of 100. But just to make it simple, I'm going to say £400 a month is what I'm going to be putting in. Now, you'll see I've kind of almost broken one of my initial rules already. So we can see the first 4 payments all in May. The last, or not the last payment, the last but one payment was actually on the 30th of May rather than the beginning of June. And the reason is that I actually used this payment in my last video as an example of how to buy Bitcoin rather on Coinbase. So I needed to go through the process to show you. So for all intents and purposes, I'm counting this as a June payment. So I put 2 payments in, you know, it's only the 3rd of June, but I put 2 payments in June, and I'll be putting another 2 in. But yeah, overall a really good performance. As you can see here with the individual transactions and the change in the profit loss, the vast majority of that profit came from Ethereum last month. So the £100 worth I bought on the 16th of May, this was just before Ethereum sort of doubled in value, and you can actually see here that the change has been 140% change in revenue. So that's a massive increase, and obviously you won't see that all the time. But even the payment which came after, you know, a lot of that kind of increase has made $40. It's almost 29% increase. And both my Bitcoin kind of payments last month made a good amount as well. The first one, 40%, you know, really big rise. But even sort of later on in the month, this one here has made almost 19%. You'll see here, this is my last payment. So this was yesterday. Ethereum hasn't really done a lot. Most of that loss is £5 down at the moment. It's only a day in, but most of that is the actual transaction fee. So for every £100 I'm actually kind of buying, it actually costs me £103.99 because of credit card fees. So whenever I put, you know, a new kind of payment in, I'm already starting sort of 4% down. But if we have just a quick glance at the Ethereum and Bitcoin prices over the last month, you can see exactly how much they've gone up. So this is a 1-month chart for Ethereum. As you can see, sort of the first couple of weeks of May, it was around that kind of $90 mark. Then it made a big jump up, a little tiny correction, but it's been, you know, over 200. I think it will continue over 200 now. And again, if we look at Bitcoin over the same period, so 1-month period, we can see again the first couple of weeks of the month, you know, slow steady increase, but nothing spectacular, and then this massive jump, and then, you know, a little bit of kind of trading up and down within those kind of markets. But we're around $2,500 at the moment, and I don't think it's going to correct. Personally, I don't think it's going to correct down much below 2,000 now. I think 2,000 will be probably, you know, good support at that level. So as I said, just a very brief overview. I will put the link to my Coinbase portfolio below. I'll also put a link to my Coinbase account. So if you want to buy with Coinbase, if you haven't got an account, you can click the link. It's an affiliate link. You know, so just to be truthful with you, I make if you buy $100 or more, they will send me $10, but they'll also send you an additional $10 as well. So you'll buy $100 worth and you'll get an additional $10, but I will also get an additional $10. So, you know, if it's useful to you and you haven't got an account already and you want to buy some, please use the link. That would be great. That's it for now. As I said, just a very quick video this morning. What I will also be doing in the next few days is going over my Burstcoin setup and my Burstcoin earnings as well. And I'll do a monthly report on my Burstcoin mining earnings. I'm not really buying Burstcoin now, but I am mining it, so I will go through and give you a monthly overview of how much I've made or how much I've mined each month, and the cost of kind of hard drives and the money I've made back. So I'll be doing that in the next kind of couple of days, so keep an eye out for that. And as always, if you like this, please subscribe or leave me a comment. Okay, I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.